floor?
Does this count as the second floor?
So there are.
Oh, it's fine. We're protected. There's a door. Actually, there's no doors here.
Walang tao.
Do not go outside. Do not go outside. And
Ah!
look at that guy. He looks a bit weird.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
That's good. That's door. Wait, does he have anything on him? There's another zombie. Nope, I'm stuck.
Missing.
Using durability already. Wait, I need to craft a bandage.
I'm ready to what's a rag?
Wow, we need to do this. I should get rid of my laceration.
You already got laceration.
It's not a scratch. I should also get a scratch. Okay, completely healed.
But you really are not laceration. I'm just not bleeding. There's more, bitch! Tayo na, bukod mo yan. Pumatay mo.
Is there more?
Oh,
Wait, they don't see us, they don't just hide. They just hide. I see more of them out there, outside.
It's nice, stupid.
There's just one right there. Roma behind you. Wait, stop! Attacking me.
Mas tempo now, no?
My weapon broke.
Get with you. Are you okay?
I think I need to craft another one. Is there any more rags? I'm injured here.
You have gone out. It's right there!
Oh, wait, there's one here. Hello? Where? You can do it. Ano nangyari? Use the fire torch. Gamitin mo yung torch. Takbo na. Mag-fire.
Oh shit! Tama ka tayo ulit! Bakit na rin
Okay. I need to find rags outside. Are we back?
Ang ina mo, wait lang sa oras. Go wait for like 2 minutes. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You don't have infinite stamina by the way. Girl, turn the fuck back here, you stupid bitch.
Oh, look at that. I have a status effect that says afraid. You fear as if you are being watched. You should go somewhere
Hi,
safer.
bitch. Dying.
Hindi, okay lang ako.
Oh, basta like 1 night is 1 castle. Hey, hey, hey. Fucking I'll start the exit. Okay, yeah, it's my name. Are you alive? Come explore.
I have 4 days left to live. That's not good.
You wanna follow me? You wanna come with me?